Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. We're on to our second box of the night. First football break of the night, 2008 Donruss Gridiron gear. Good luck once again. We pulled a pretty decent, we had a decent box. If you want to check out those videos, maybe we can get some Vikings out of this. Who knows? Maybe Adrian Peterson. First off, we got for the Falcons a rookie of Thomas Brown, numbered out of 999. And we got all base. Holy, are you friggin' kidding me? Are you kidding me? Holy crap. I always pull him. I have always pulled him. Gator Girl. Wow. It's one of these jerseys. Joe Flacco. Auto. Numbered out of 100. Check that out. This has to be like the 5th Joe Flacco autograph I pulled in the last month. That is disgusting. There you go, Gator Girl. Congratulations on that. Joe Flacco. Wow, check that out, YouTube. Awesome. Put that right in there. Wow, number 24 out of 100. Joe friggin' Flacco. Damn. Congratulations. I pull Flaccos out of my ass. Let me just tell you right now. I pulled the Flacco last group break. Every group break, I at least have one Joe Flacco autograph. We got a rookie for the Texans, Xavier Adibi, numbered out of 25. Wow. For the Cardinals, Early Descent the third, numbered out of 250. I have the Cardinals. We got a rookie, Ernie Wheelwright, numbered out of 999, Ravens. I'm already happy with this box. Everything else is gravy. I want to pull some nice stuff for everyone else here. Gator Girl just pulled a Joe Flacco autograph. Chauncey Washington, rookie, numbered out of 100 for the Jags. We got a duel between the Jets and the Redskins, Santana Moss, numbered out of 500, insert. Then we got a Willie Wood for the Packers, numbered out of 500. Wow, nice. Single patch, dual color for the Jets. There you go, Jets, numbered out of 50. Poker Chris is getting this one. Dustin Keller, dual patch, or single patch, dual color. So Jets, very nice box overall so far. 2 hits. We're looking for one more. We pulled the Joe Flacco, Dustin Keller. Roydell Williams for the Titans, numbered out of 250. We got base. We got base. 4 packs left. Good luck. And our last hit will be a jersey for the Cowboys, numbered out of 250, Felix Jones. So that should be the last for this box. Overall, nasty box. Joe Flacco, auto jersey, sick. Zach Thomas for the Dolphins and Cowboys, numbered out of 250. A rookie for the Buccaneers, Corey Boyd, numbered out of 999. And final pack of this nasty box will be all base. So there we go. This was our hit of the box. Let me get it one more time. Joe Flacco autograph jersey pullout. Very nice signature, numbered out of 100. So there you go, YouTube. We'll be back with Premiere. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.